Welcome to our Countertop Ice Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular ice makers, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker and the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker. We'll explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is priced at just $69, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker comes in at a premium price of $469, targeting those who prioritize high-quality nugget ice and advanced features. Next, let's look at ice production. The Sweetcrispy model produces 26 pounds of bullet ice per day, which is suitable for small gatherings. However, the Aeitto model excels with a whopping 40 pounds of chewable nugget ice daily, making it ideal for larger parties or frequent use. Finally, let's discuss the self-cleaning features. The Sweetcrispy Ice Maker requires manual activation for cleaning, which can be a bit cumbersome. On the other hand, the Aeitto model offers a one-click automatic self-cleaning feature, providing convenience for users who want to maintain their machine effortlessly. In conclusion, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is perfect for those seeking an affordable, portable option for casual use, while the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker caters to serious ice enthusiasts willing to invest in quality and convenience. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.